Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do Chapter 7 class project. It's a random number guessing game. We did this project from Chapter 1. And this project requires you write a program, generate a random number between 1 to 100. Then ask the user to guess what the number is. If the user's guess is higher than the random number, the program should display too high. Try again. If user guess is lower than the random number, the program should display too low. Try again. The program should use a loop that repeat until the user correctly guess the random number again. Then the program should display congratulation. You figure out my number. So basically, this program we did it from Chapter 1. Professor Liu break into 3 parts for you. So part 1, you are going to figure out the user input, then computer input, then part 3 you compare. And so now your job is to convert random guessing game to a class now. You can unzip. There are some example, but this is from our Chapter 1. You can unzip the program, and we are going to start from there. Okay, so let's get from that. So this program is from Chapter 1. This program is from Chapter 1, and we have some function right there, like get random, get user input, compare number, and we have a loop to loop it. So let's run this program. This is based on your Chapter 1. So I build it and start without debugging. Alright, so enter your guess. Remember, we're going to do intelligent guess. Always try from the halfway binary. So I guess 50. Alright, 50 is too high. I have to get a smaller number, so I should try a number between 1 to 50. So I try 25. Right, 25 is too low. So I need to get the number should be between 25 to 50. So between 25 to 50. So let's get how about 38? 12.5, something like in between. All right, so 38 is too low. I need a larger number. So now it's between 38 to 50 right now. Also halfway, okay? So halfway, we just want to guess right now. So 42. 42 is too low. And so between 42 to 50. All right. So let me try 46. 46 too high, probably 44. Okay, I have bad luck. 43. All right, so I have 7 guesses. That's not too intelligent. I have bad luck. So no. All right. So this is your project number 1. So let me start this program right now. Close solution and create a new project and an empty project. Next, and we're going to call Chapter 7 project random number. Okay, I'm going to start it right now. Alright, before we start it, let's review what's all required. What you require is you're going to have a class right now. Okay, and the class name is going to call random number game. Okay, that's a rule. Random number game. Let's do step by step. All right, so Control C. I'm coming back right here. I say right click it and add a new class. It's going to call random number game. So that's what I did. Hit OK. Now I have this right now. Okay, and let's continue. Let's continue. All right. So let's continue. Then we coming back right here. Say, oh, okay. You need to have private, and also you need to have um, uh, uh, the for a class we need to have two parts. So let's do this right now. First, let's do private, and let's do public. Okay, so we do that part exactly that what they want us to do. So far, okay. All right, so we got that part first. We already got private, and we also got the public. Is that right? Okay, so let's continue. Can you say, all right, so for this one, the private, all right, the private need to have a maximum number, integer guess, and computer number, integer number guess. Okay, so let's copy this thing right now. Control C and Control V. All right, so I need this. Okay, this 4 is given by me, so I need this. Okay, so this is my private. I need to maybe it's not 1 to 100, maybe 1 to 50, 1 to 25, make it easier, something like that. And how many your guess and computer number. Okay, that's what we have. Let's continue right now. All right, let's do this right now. First, we need to have a constructor. Okay, the constructor. So we need to have a constructor. Then constructor will take get a max number from user. Okay, so let's do this. We need to have a constructor. Then we also need to okay, code that, and let's do it right now. So first, I need a constructor. So I have to write constructor random number. Okay, so that's my constructor, and my constructor say this. My constructor need a number, max number, number from user. All right, so that's my constructor. Then I also so now let's do that first. Okay, so let's see what we need to do for our constructor. Constructor need to get a maximum number. Okay, constructor need to get a maximum number from the user. All right, generate a computer random number from 1 to the max number. All right, so and also get a guessing number from user. That's quite a lot work right there. Now set the number guess to 1. Okay, so let's do it right now. So we are going to do quite a lot work. All right, so let's see if I can pull right here so you can see from here. Sorry. So we can tell you want to here you need to get a maximum number from user. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, max num. All right, come from your num. That's the first thing we need to do. All right, second thing need to do, we need to get random number. In order to get random number here, I have the include. And I also need to include C time, okay? All right, so now I have that right now. So second thing I need to do is I need to get a random number. Okay, so I have to add random first. All right, to I need to type correctly, right? M time. So I'm using the current time as my seed for my random number. Now I need to get a computer number. So right here, the computer number. So computer num is equal to maxima plus ran mod by, okay, so mod by, all right, maximum. So you're going to put maximum number. So max num okay, so we are going to do this. Minus minima is 1 and plus 1. Okay, so you tell me that it's exactly the same. I agree, but that's I'm just going to use a formula. So we get this right now, and at the constructor we also need to get user to give you a number. So you say cout and write down, you say I am thinking of a number between 1 and, okay, the number is maxNum, okay? All right, so that, then you want to say, all right, so CL, can you guess what it is? All right, and let me be polite. Enter your guess. How about that? So we ask them to enter their guess. Okay. So they enter their guess. It's right here. Guess. That's here. Then whenever I guess that, my number of guess is plus. That's all right. So that will be based on here. Say, okay, let's take a look here. Based on here, I have to get the maximum number from user. I have to generate a computer generate random number between 1 to maxNum. And I need to get a guess number from user. I set the number guess to 1. So that's what I did right now. Okay? Alright, so since that's what I did, I am going to close it. And my CPP is already done. Let's go get the second one right now. Alright, so as soon as I finish that, alright, I have to write the play game. I have to write the play game method, okay? So I need the play game method. So let's do it right now. Since I need to get a play game method to play the game. So I am come here right now. And the play game is should be a void. So play game. Okay, I'm going to write like this, play game. All right, so as soon as I finish here the play game method, then I need to write it. All right, so the what play game method is this. As long as your as long as your guess and your guess is different from computer number. Okay, so we are going to continue this and that. So we do while, okay, and tab. So while my guess, your guess, okay, is not equal to computer number, as long as this happening, all right, as long as your guess different from computer number, then we're going to set up this right now. If Okay, if and tab over, sorry, if and tab over, hold on, I just want to do here, okay, sorry. Then I move inside, okay, if and tab over. So let me put this if here and Control X and put inside right now. All right, so now we're going to say this right now. All right, so if my guess, okay, my guess is greater than computer num, okay, that's bigger, then I am going to say this. I'm going to say CL. I'm going to put bunch of backslash in here first. It's okay, and based on last time the experience, my guess, okay, is too high. Try a smaller number, okay, and all right. So now we're going to if the else. So else, and we're going to copy the thing, okay? All right, your guess is too low, okay? And try a larger number. So right here, we make sure, hold on, let me double check. If my number is this, okay, and I see out, let me double check it here. Hold on. If greater than, hold on. Let me put the thing right there so it's easier for me to fix it right here. All right, so I can see right now. So while my guess not equal to my computer game, if my guess is greater than my computer thing, and I see out, all right, then else see out is, and now I am going to do here, okay, I'm going to do here right now, try a larger number, and okay, let me put right here, I need this, else, hold on, okay, all right, seeing guess is too low again and too high, expect the statement if, all right, now I'm going to do this inside here right now. We are going to enter the new number here, so we're going to say cin guess, all right, your guess, and right here we're going to say number of guess. Oh, num guess, all right, and plus plus, okay. All right, let me double check what's wrong I did. If my guess is greater than computer guess, close it. Okay, so let me see if I don't need that one. Okay, so if my guess is greater than computer number is too high, then is too high, get smaller. Okay, seeing that part is okay right now. Now we're going to continue right here. We continue. We need to here get a loop here. Is that right? So we're going to so here is now okay. Now once you are okay, we're going to say CL got my number. It is all right, and we are going to have a space right here. Computer num. All right, and we also tell them that, hey guys, it took you number guess all right, so the play game, that's a play game. So that's coming back right here. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so at my class, we follow exactly what this instruction would I give to you. Here we write down that, and we hold on, let me coming back here. All right, then we do this. While my guess not equal to computer number, if it's higher, okay, then too high, get smaller. Otherwise, too low, get a smaller number. Is that right? Then here, seeing another number, get a new guessing number, increase the number guessed by 1. Okay, then if they get correct one, then we say congratulation. Is that right? And we display the number. We also display the number of guessing. So basically you need to follow exactly what the computer say. Okay, what the instruction your teacher give you. Then I guess I need to have a destructor. Okay, so we coming back right here. Here, let's get our destructor. Okay, so we'll get our destructor right here. Will be tilde. Okay, random guessing game. It's okay. Then you really don't need to write code because Visual Studio will write it for you. So you close it, and that's it. All right, so we basically finish our header file and our class definition. Now we are going to do the program right here. Okay, so we are going to say here. So right click it, add new item right now, and new item is C++, and I'm going to call this use random number. Okay, use random number right here. So let's have our golden 7 line first. Alright, so the first line I have include my class. I just create the header file, so I'm going to pound sign include and quotation. Alright, I have to do that. Alright, so right here we have to coming back and to do our main program right here. The main program has two, we are going to loop and until user say end, but I need two variables. So let me get these two variables, okay? Control C. So I need two variables, and I defined it already, two variables. Let's do the first variable here. Okay, so first variable, let's play a random number game and choose a number between 1 to, okay, let me just all right. So you are going to, let's play a random game, choose a number between 1 to your selection. Okay, so as soon as you select that, we really don't want to write anything here. We're going to use a random number game. Okay, game equal new random equal to random number game, and we are going to put the max number inside here. It's okay. So we play the game, and number you put right there. Then you're going to play the game. So you say game dot play game. Play the game. All right. All right. So let's run it right now. Okay, let's run it right now. So I'm going to build it. And start without debugging. Let's just play to 20. It's okay. All right. So I'm going to put 10. All right. So let me do 15. All right. Let me do 17. Gee, bad luck. Okay. 18. 19. All right. Now I have to, the guess has to initialize to 0 here. So I have to coming back here, random guessing game right here. Let me coming back to here to make it to 0. Okay. Here, hold on, just a minute. So number of guess here, number of guess here, I need to make it out to 0. Okay, sorry, equal 0. Okay, maybe that. And let me run it one more time. So I build it, rebuild it. Okay, and I start without debugging. So let's do 20. All right, so I'm going to get 10. 10 is too high. Try 5. All right, 3. Bad luck. 2. Wow, 1. Let me see what's wrong with this. Okay. Let me try one more time. Okay, so let me build it, and I need to reset, I guess. Rebuild it. All right, let's get 20. How about that? And 10. 10 is too low. 15. Oh, I get it. 2 guess, and I'm lucky. But look, I need to put this a little bit space right between. Otherwise, it's not too beautiful. So how do I do this? I come right here. No, I think I'm here. All right, here. Right. It took you. I'm going to put space here. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. So now we have to continue the thing. Is say I want to have a loop. All right, to continue it until user don't want to do it. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do, okay, do and tab over. All right, so we're going to ask the question right here. Say CL, do you want to play the game again? Okay. And seeing again. All right, so as long as my again is yes. Okay, we're going to make sure here tell them the y or n. Okay, tell them that, and also tell them that just that one. That's okay. So as long as you're again, all right, then equal lowercase y. All right. So since we already told them, oh, by the way, I need another parenthesis. Okay. All right. So we already tell them you put yes or no. Okay. Now once you do that, then let's copy the whole thing right here. It's okay. Control X and put right here. Control V. All right. So we're going to try this program right now. So build it. Better rebuild it. Okay. Rebuild it, because we can reset number and start without debugging. All right, so 20. All right, so 10. All right, too low. Okay, too low. So too low is 15. Okay, too low 15. Okay, 17. Bad luck. 18. Oh, must be 19. 20. Oh, do you see my luck is never a good luck. So I got 6 guess. Do you want to play the game? No. That's it. Okay. All right. So that's your project. That's your project for this one. Based on your chapter 1 random number guessing game. Now we change this to a class, so it be more flexible and user can guess, if 100 is too much. It's just for elementary schools kids, maybe 1 to 20, 1 to 50, and something like that. So you have a header file and you have right here is your class definition, and this is your user file. All right. I really hope you learn how to use class from this example. I hope you like this video.